Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Checking in on Dashcoin. Dashcoin triggered the double top here, came down through all the levels, retesting the lows right around 372. So that is all done. Just bouncing up slightly, not getting much traction here. What's interesting, let's just switch to the daily chart because that's where we're getting interesting. So if we don't hold here, we're trading against the 8 EMA, so that's first level of resistance at 405 to 406. Next rally up, the next area of resistance is about 426, and then we're looking at 437. There's a lot to get through up here. What's interesting is we do have a potential double bottom here with the two higher probability targets, 495 and 516, the lower probability one being 536, but that would need a close or a move up and a retest, and then a rotation back up of the 454 level, preferably just a close beyond that level. Then we'd be watching for those key levels I just talked about. Now, if it continues lower and this rotation zone holds on the daily and we drop and get through to this 372 level, 361 next target, then we have a major cluster between 347 and 351 right in here. That's going to be very, very key. You also see that's prior support over here. So that's going to be a great place if we drop to watch for another potential reversal pattern. And then if we break through there, 328. So that's what we're watching for. It's either sit on our hands and watch us get some strength and finally trigger a nice up move, because this has weakness, so we're just not rushing in. And we have the rotation zone against us on the 4-hour and the daily, and there's no major bottoming pattern just yet. Now, we might come down here and form another double within a double, which would be interesting, and that's what we'll be watching for. Switching over to Ripple. Ripple still can't get much traction above the rotation zone. Got above it briefly, couldn't hold, formed this very small double top, and then plunged back down. Now continuing to bump up against the rotation zone. Retest this critical 62.5% level. Dead on test there. Poke through it. Test right there. Test here. So that's this 06462 level is very critical. If we do rally above the rotation zone, next major area is going to be 0.702 to 0.71 right in here. You see that test of that old Gann level. Right below that is the 50-period exponential moving average. Let's switch over to the daily chart. That's where it's going to get interesting. So also right around that 0.70 level, there's the 8 EMA. So that's going to be a very critical area to watch for resistance. If we do get through there, next major area is 0.74 to 0.75. So if you did try to pick up something down here, at least move up your stops on a rally up there. Now, if we get a close or an extended move and retrace above 0.75, then it'll trigger a double, 0.8117, 0.8425, and there's a nice little cluster in there with this old Gann level, and then 0.8734. All of these are high probability targets. If we cannot hold this and we break below 0.6265, then we'll be watching for the cluster area of 0.5822 to 0.5840 right in here. We'll be watching for another potential reversal pattern, and then below that 0.54153. So that's what we're looking for in Ripple and in Dash, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.